Hello students. Today we will learn our first chapter of geography, our environment. What we will learn in today's video? About the environment, the meaning of environment, how the physical and biological environment interact, about the natural environment which includes lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So let us start. Environment means the surroundings or conditions within which any living organism exists. Our environment is made up of different components. These components are natural and human. Natural environment includes the physical and biological elements of the earth. Physical environment has the non-living or abiotic components like land, water and air. And biological environment consists biotic components like human beings, plants, animals and microbial organism. Human environment is formed by human beings, their creations, their activities and the social, economic, political and other conditions in which they live. The human environment include human-made objects like roads, buildings, human occupations like farming, industry and human institutions like family, community, etc. Let us learn interaction between physical and biological environment. Physical environment. The physical and biological environments are interrelated. The biotic and abiotic elements of the environment go through a number of changes and any change in one of is bound to affect the other. The biotic elements depends on abiotic elements for their survival. Let us learn with a food chain. All plants obtain their food from land, water, air and sunlight. And all animals get their food directly or indirectly from plants. And plants releases oxygen in the air and burial animals dig up the soil and make it loose. Human beings with their varied activities like agriculture, cutting of trees, mining, construction of roads and buildings also cause a number of changes in the physical environment. Natural environment. Land, water, air and living organism are the different constitutes of our natural environment. The four domains of natural environment are lithosphere means the land, the solid portion of the earth. Hydrosphere, all water bodies on the earth. Atmosphere, the air around us and biosphere, the living world. Let us learn lithosphere. The lithosphere is the outermost solid layer of the earth. It consisting rock material and soil. It is also known as the crust of the earth. It includes the continents and ocean basins. 71% of the total area of the lithosphere is covered by water and rest 29% is occupied by land. Various types of landforms like mountains, plateaus and plains are found on the lithosphere. What is the importance of lithosphere? Lithosphere provides us with the land which is used, which has a variety of uses. The soil is used for agriculture. Rocks and minerals that make up the lithosphere are also very useful to us. Hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is the domain of water. All the water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers and lakes together make up the hydrosphere. It includes the ice sheets in the polar and high mountain regions, underground water and water vapor in the air. What is the importance of hydrosphere? Water supports all forms of life on earth and is useful to us in many ways. Fresh water is used in domestic agriculture and industrial fields. It is also used to generate electricity and a means of transport. Oceans support marine life, provide us with food and minerals, moderate the climate of the coastal areas, and also serve as international and trade routes. Rest of the chapter we will study in next video. Thank